Hello everyone, I am Mandeep Kaur and you are watching Hidden Truth TV. Let's look at the top stories of today. Educational institution opened in various states today. Sachin Pilot targeted RSS and BJP over the issue of farm law. Chief Minister of Punjab slammed the BJP for attempting to lower the stature of gubernatorial office. Punjab-based farmers have sent legal notice to Union Minister Giriraj Singh, Nitin Patel and BJP leader Ram Madhav for their alleged defamatory statements. The convoy of farmers faced tear gas shells as they were moving towards Delhi. Now news in details. From today, the educational institutions including schools, colleges, universities, coaching institutes will reopen in Bihar and Puducherry after a gap of over 9 months. On the other side, the Congress leader Sachin Pilot on Sunday appeared to target the RSS and said the nationalism was about the welfare of farmers and not giving speeches from Nagpur. Without naming the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS, Pilot said, "If we talk about the welfare of farmers, then it is real nationalism. It is not nationalism when they deliver speeches from Nagpur wearing half pants." The former Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister said the BJP is pushing farmers into darkness with the new agriculture laws. He said that the centre should understand that a government will not be defeated if it rollbacks any of its decision. Doing amendment, withdrawing laws or feeling sorry raises the stature of leaders. The another news is from Punjab, where Chief Minister Amrinder Singh on Sunday lambasted the state BJP leadership for the sordid attempts to lower the prestige of the gubernatorial office by pulling the constitutional authority into unsavory controversies. He reacted to BJP state unit's tweet. In tweet, BJP state unit accused Captain Amrinder Singh that he is trying to turn Punjab into another West Bengal. In return, Chief Minister slammed the BJP and said that it was the power-hungry BJP which had been trying to use the office of governor for its own vested interest. He lashed out on BJP for its shameless efforts to force its way into power in state ruled by other parties. The BJP, which has been systematically trampling all democratic and constitutional institutions, has not spared even the office of governor, alleged the Chief Minister of Punjab. He quipped that the BJP, despite being a national party, seemed totally ignorant about the constitutional provisions according to which the governor was a territorial head of the state, but all administration authority vested with the Chief Minister. He said that don't these BJP leaders know that the law and order responsibility of my state lies with me not only as Chief Minister but also as a Home Minister. He asked, urging the BJP leader of Punjab to first learn the ABC of Indian Constitution before shooting their mouth on constitutional matters. Moving toward next news, Punjab-based farmers have sent legal notice to Union Minister Giriraj Singh, Gujarat Deputy Chief Minister Nitin Patel and BJP leader Ram Madhav for their alleged defamatory statements regarding ongoing agitation at various Delhi borders against the agriculture laws. For more latest updates, keep watching Hidden Truth TV.